Today, what I'm gonna tell you is just gonna be massive. It's gonna be so much exciting that you're gonna be loving it. Today is 7th of January 2022. That's exactly after a week of New Year. That's 7 days has already passed, and we had celebrated New Year just 7 days ago. Now, after 7 days, do you have actually completed your first week goals, the goals that you have prepared? If no, then it's okay. You have a lot of time, but you should definitely make a plan. But today, this video, what you're going to be talking about is something that I was planning, something that I was planning before Christmas. I was just planning on to from Christmas to throughout the new year, and I wanted to make this happen. And it's especially for you, and I have a dream. As it's been quoted by Martin Luther King, that he had a dream on this speech of his. And it's a wonderful speech, by the way. You should definitely listen to it. Now, what I want to say is that if you have a dream, then you should definitely fulfill it. And I similarly have a dream. And without you, it's not possible. I want you to join with me on my mission. Before telling you the whole mission, I want to tell you three little stories. Three little stories that are real life stories. The first one is this story goes back on 1903. On 1903, Henry Ford thought of the founder of Ford Motors, found that people can actually get transport mode change from horse carriage and they can shift towards motor cars. But people at first never accepted that idea. People thought that they were okay and comfortable with the same horse carriages. But look, after 1 century, that's after 100 years, people shifted to motor cars. At that moment, Henry Ford was a visionary leader who executed the whole thing really properly with a great team. And with the help of a great team, they achieved something that we are really blessed with. Similarly, something happened onto a second story when Walt Disney thought of introducing Mickey Mouse. People thought that a mouse would be really scary, and his idea of making Mickey Mouse a brand and getting into a big business would be really different. But people at that moment thought what? People thought that it would be a great fail, but it wasn't. Today we go on to Disney. On the Disney World, we see Mickey Mouse everywhere. And you know what? There is only one of them that's roaming around, and there is not a second one. Now, here comes a third story. On the early 2000s, it was being journaled on a newspaper that internet is a fad. Internet is a fad, right? So people thought that internet would come and then go away. But now what we can see is Web 3.0. And as a content creator, you yourself understand this thing, that how much important it is. Value of internet is huge right now. And you have the potential to change many things, to put an impact into this whole world, to make something that's really fruitful for our society. Now, you have the potential that will be changing lives. You have the potential to deliver the best quality contents. You have the potential to change your life and other lives too. You have the potential to deliver great content by automation. And I'm going to show you how you can do it. Not just that, I want you to join with me on a mission 100 million. Now, this mission is really interesting. Interesting in the sense because I am no Henry Ford, nor do I have a big company like Ford, nor am I Walt Disney, nor do I have a big character like Mickey Mouse. I'm someone who has changed many things in my life, and I got really great results. I have one simple goal, and for that, I need your help. Help in what sense? Help in the sense that if I can help you up, then you can also help me. It will be a win-win situation for everyone because I want to support you. You believe in magic? If yes, it's a good thing. If no, it's a good thing. Now, the main question is, do you want to become someone who will be putting a dent into this whole world, putting a mark into this whole world? And whenever you leave this awesome planet, your work stays forever. And I want that to happen for every one of you. So I bring you the 100 million, the mission 100 million. What is mission 100 million? Mission 100 million is a mission of movement, a journey that we together can actually achieve. So what's going to be happening is that I thought something. Since the unemployment, the jobs have been going on, and I have a special tool, and I can actually help with that because I, as an expert, can help people with this simple tool. What is it? I want to help people in different forms, in majorly two forms. What is it? I have a power that is of YouTube Partner Program. A power as in I can help you up in showing you, guiding you through, and helping you up with the processes that can actually help you up in making a living or creating content so that you can do future work really easily. For that, I took a simple challenge. What's the challenge? That is, I am no big person who has got millions of followers. So I can try my level best to gather some people who are really interested in the things, in changing their lives, in understanding the real truth. For example, if I can put myself into a situation like I want to help 10,000 people, right? I want to help 10,000 people and I want them, they can generate almost $10,000 every single month. That's 120K per year. I know it's not very big amount, but it's big for some people. If I can help people who are able to generate 100K, 120K every single year or 10K every single month, I will be thinking that our mission, you and me, have succeeded. So, what's the mission? We can actually achieve this 100 million. This 100 million, it's like if we multiply 10,000 people making $10,000 every single month, that comes to almost, if 10,000 people can make $10,000 every single month, then the total amount is 100 million. And if we can achieve it, we will be getting into a zone which will be really high because we can actually help people not just create great content for really large number of people, but also, but what we can do is that we can help people to get financial freedom and they can have an extra source of income which they can use to pay off their loans and debts, which they can use for their medical purposes, which they can use so that they can leave their job, which can help them as a side hustle, which will be generating money, and they can live a life that they want, a dream lifestyle that they have desired of. If we can go to that level, we will be happy. And let me tell you this, from this whole thing, I am not going to charge you a single dollar and I'm not going to take a single dollar from this 100 million. I want to do something that's going to be helping you up and it will be so much effective. So we are going to be putting out content so much. We are going to be making systems and processes that will be helping you. And I am going to be telling you how you can actually get that level of dedication, passion, and have a sense of purpose. A purpose that will be helping you up in getting through the bad and the odd times and keeping you on track whenever you feel overwhelmed. keeping you in a track that's going to be helping you up and making you grow. And it's not just about you, it's also about the viewers that's going to be changing their lives with your content. And I would be happy to do so. So, are you into it? If yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we will bring an impact. We are going to be making a mark into this whole world, and we are going to be making a mark into this world. And there's going to be a magic that's going to be happening, a magic that's going to be changing lives, a magic that's going to be so much efficient, that's going to be helping people, serving people, and it's going to change your life. Don't you want to change your life? Don't you want to be happy? Don't you want to be the person who is helping people up? Don't you want to have an automated system and you don't need to go to office because you don't want to go? You don't want to do a job and you're stuck at your job that you don't like. Don't you want to do something that you are really, really passionate about? It can be anything. I'm going to be talking about NFTs, about metaverse too, because I want to give you the futuristic knowledge now. Today, sitting here, I want to give you the knowledge that you can actually use for future so that you can be future ready. You can have the skills, you can have that, not just high income skills, you can serve people, help people, and be a person of value. I hope that you have understood the whole thing, the whole concept of Mission 100 million. So, if you have understood the whole thing, today was the 7th day of this new year of 2022. That's 7th January of 2020. That's the first month of 2022. And after 1 week, I just wanted you to say that if you have not been able to cope up with your routine or your deadlines, it's okay. Try again, you will succeed. Be consistent on that. Whenever you do the things that you love, you go ahead. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. I hope that you have got a great valuable information from it. See you again on another video.